To begin, lift the lid of your beadruptor homogenizer and use the provided Allen key to remove the 4 fastening screws. Align the black Cryo lid onto the beadruptor and replace the 4 screws using the Allen key, ensuring that the lid is firmly secured. Position the thermometer probe under the beadruptor lid and use a couple clip to secure the thermometer probe wire. Place the remaining couple clips along the top and side of the beadruptor, guiding the wire through the clips. Plug the wire into the external thermometer. Connect one end of the compressed air hose to the BR Cryo unit. Connect the other end of the hose to your air supply. An additional fitting may be required. Connect the straight end of the insulated cryo hose to the BR Cryo unit. Connect the elbow end of the cryo hose to the beadruptor lid. The BR Cryo unit is now ready for cooling. Run dry air at the max setting for 30 seconds to purge the air lines. Return the control knob to the off position. Add liquid nitrogen to the BR Cryo chamber, ensuring that the copper coils are fully covered. After closing the BR Cryo lid, turn the control knob to increase airflow into the beadruptor processing chamber. Pre-cool the processing chamber until the external thermometer reads 0 degrees Celsius. Load your samples into the beadruptor processing chamber. Fasten the finger plate securely and close the lid. Input your desired time, speed, cycle, and dwell settings. Add liquid nitrogen to the BR Cryo chamber, ensuring that the copper coils are fully covered. Turn the control knob to begin cooling the processing chamber. When the temperature has reached 0 degrees Celsius, press ready to begin the processing cycle. When the cycle is complete, return the BR Cryo control knob to the off position. Open the beadruptor lid and remove your samples.